My name is Marlúcia. I am a ballet teacher and a rehearsal director. And I'd like here to express my endless gratitude to this great teacher, an incredible human being. And because of his initiative to create the work-study program of the Master Dance Pedagogy in the Palluca Hochschule für Tanz, Dresden, I was able to complete my studies. I thank you, Prof.Fernandocoelho, for all the big knowledge you gave to all of us, that you keep doing it, and for your amazing orientation during all my times of studies in the Palluca. Thanks.